are you? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing another DIY. You may have seen this floating all around YouTube, Instagram, even TikTok. That's where I originally saw it. I'm going to link the creator that I saw do this first in the description box, and let's jump into it. So if you watched my come shop with me video a couple of weeks ago, you would see that I showed you this ottoman in Kmart when I was there, and I told you that I had already bought it a few weeks previously. So I have had this thing for over a month at least, probably over 2 months by this point. So the idea of this DIY is to paint the ottoman. The base is a hard material, so you can easily paint it, and people have been taking the cushion off the lid and just painting that white as well. I think it looks beautiful with both white. I'm not sure if that's what I'm going to do just yet. I haven't decided what I want to do with the lid. I'm definitely going to paint the base of it white, and I need to decide if I want to do just a plain white paint or if I'm going to try out the baking soda trick. Baking soda? Baking powder? Whatever. My first step is going out into the garage and raiding our paint cupboard and grabbing some of our white paint. I know we have the white paint we used on the trim in here. We also have some ceiling paint, that just random various whites. So I'm gonna grab some white paint and bring it inside. We are going to attempt this on the dining table so that there is as minimal hair as possible from the dogs and the cat that will get on this project. And after we've painted the base, we will try and decide what we want to do with the lid. I have my black spray paint, so I either have matte or glossy black. And I also have the grey that we've painted these walls with, which I think it could look kind of cool with a grey lid, but I don't want it to match and blend in with the walls, so I don't think I will do that. I could just like spray a bit of the black into the grey and that would make it darker. I don't know. Funnily enough, on that note, Evan has just informed me that we do have a slightly darker grey paint as well, so I might check that out and see if I want to use that, or I might just go white. I really don't know. So I'm gonna go out to the garage, find some paint, and I will see you in the dining room in literally seconds. Should we go to the dining room now? Do you want your chair back? Yeah, okay. There you go. Oh God. That was so much paint. Maybe I'll keep the lid pink. I don't know, I don't really want anything pink anymore. I could put different fabric on it, maybe. I'm not sure. We're gonna put this to the side. That's the inside. It's fuzzy black material. What I thought I would do is get a Tupperware container, or maybe like the lid for this thing, and put it underneath so that it's a bit higher off the table so I can paint the bottom a bit easier. And then I'm just gonna have to be real careful around the top or something. I don't know. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. This looks awesome. I love it so much. Alrighty, that is painted. I'm going to leave it here to dry, and then I can suss out whether I need to do another coat or not. There are some bits that look fine, and then there's other bits on this side particularly that don't look as opaque, so I might do a second coat. Annie has joined me. Alright, so now I'm gonna let it dry and see whether I need to do another coat. So I'm gonna leave it for a few hours and pick back up from there. So it's a completely different day and I am all done with this DIY now. For the lid, I decided to go with a slightly darker grey than our walls, as you can see. I'm so glad I did because I love that it is just that little bit different to what a lot of people are doing. I have seen a couple of people do coloured lids, but not many. Most people have done white, which looks beautiful, but I'm glad I did something just a little bit different so it kind of has a little flair of my own. The textured paint that I created with the white on the sides worked out so well. I ended up adding a bit more baking soda, bicarb soda, whatever, into the second coat that I did, and that really pushed it that little bit further, and it has such amazing texture now. It looks really cool and you can even feel it when you're touching the sides. It's down here, that's why I'm like leaning. But yeah, that hack worked really, really well, so can definitely recommend that one. So now all I need to do is find a place that I want to set this up for now. Eventually I will be using it in this room when I redo this room, but I just need to find a little place that I can style it and let it live for the moment. I'm thinking I'm going to use this storage inside for all my wires and cords and things that I have with all of my filming setup, because right now I'm just using this little basket that has a hair roller in it. Well, lint roller, but we use it specifically for dog hair because dogs. Anyway, I'm thinking of using that as a replacement for my storage because it will hide everything. You can obviously see it when it's in the wire basket, but you will not see it when it is in this. What did you think of this DIY? Let me know in the comments down below. I've also linked the exact ottoman from Kmart down in the description below so that if you want to try out this DIY or if you just love the pink color that it comes in, you can pick it up as well. That's it for me today, guys. Please like today's video if you've made it this far and subscribe to my channel to see more content from me in the future. You can also click right here to see the last DIY that I did, which wasn't quite as fun as this one, I must say. This one was a lot of fun. I liked working with the paint and stuff. Or you can head over to my channel and find a whole lot more videos. See you next time, guys. Bye.